Hey y'all, let's do some late night lashes. So I couldn't sleep, so I decided to get up and do my lashes and record myself since I haven't done that in a while. So I'm using Ardell lashes. I use the Ardell individual lashes, the medium length works for me, and then I use the Ardell glue in the bottle, the glue that has the consistency of like the latex glue. I can't use because I'm allergic to latex, so this works for me. So I just decided to do a quick video just to kind of show how I do my lashes, my individual lashes. I don't know how to do the strip. Can't get that quite yet, but I did learn how to do these. So just up, can't sleep again, doing my lashes. And again, I decided to record myself because I have not done that. So when I do my individual lashes, I kind of like to start in the middle, so to speak. I start in the middle and then I just work my way, you know, to the outside of my eye and then the inside of my eye. And then I kind of just fill in, where there may be small gaps. I don't like my lashes very thick at all. I do not like that thick shit on my eyes. No, I don't like that. So I want mine to look as natural as possible. So again, I just start in the middle and then I just fill in from side to side. Um, it does take me a while, It takes me a good anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. Um, 30 minutes on a good day. Sometimes shit just don't be jiving with you and you just won't do right. But for the most part, 30, 45 minutes to do my lashes. And they typically last for about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. And yeah. So this is the first time that I have actually recorded a video, done the editing, even though I don't know how to edit, and actually, uploaded the video. I have one video, of course, on my channel from 3 years ago. So even though I was in the video, I didn't do any of the editing. My daughter did that, and all I had to do was upload it. So I really didn't get that experience. So now I'm trying, and I really do enjoy it. Just the learning portion of it and all of the technology. So editing is okay with me, but I'm still learning. Again, that's another thing. I'm open. But the main thing is I finally did it. I finally doggone did it. I recorded the dang on video, edited the video. I'm talking to y'all and I'm showing my face. Like, that's a huge jump for me. So I feel like I'm on the right path. I am going to stop saying try. I am going to stick with it, get better at it, and hopefully, I'll have this to look back on later, create some memories for myself. YouTube is kind of like a journal, if that's the way you're going with it. So the more that I grow and share, um, and learn, I'll be able to actually look back on this video just to kind of see how far I've come. I have to keep telling myself everything has a starting point. So anyway, I know I'm all over the place, but hell, so are you. And I will be sharing a lot more as I try to come out of my shell. You'll be seeing a lot more of me. And I don't know what else to say, so I'm just going to be quiet and let y'all finish the video all the way out to the end until I finish my lashes. Once I'm done, I kind of smush them down together. You'll see that toward the end of the video. And then I kind of put a little glue up underneath to kind of seal it all in. And bam, that's it. But anyway, I'll be quiet and let y'all watch the rest of the video. Love y'all. Oh yeah, and if the video was helpful for you, let me know. Hit me up in the comments, subscribe, like the video. I will see y'all on the next one. Bye. I sound like fucking that evil. I love him. Bye, y'all.